In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate a listing on Airbnb in 2026 step by step. If you already have a listing set up and want to create a similar one without starting from scratch, duplicating a listing can save a lot of time. This is especially helpful if you manage similar properties or want to reuse an existing setup as a starting point. I'll walk you through the process clearly so you know exactly what to do. First, go to Airbnb and log into your account either on the website or in the app. Once you're signed in, open the menu and select Listings. This will take you to the area where all of your current properties are managed. From there, choose the listing you want to duplicate. Make sure you select the correct one since the copied version will carry over many of the same details. After opening that listing, go into the listing settings and look for the duplicate option, if it's available on your account or device. Airbnb's layout can change from time to time, so the option may appear slightly differently depending on whether you're using desktop or mobile. When you find it, click Duplicate Listing. Airbnb will then create a copy of your existing listing, which you can use as the foundation for the new one. This is where it becomes important to review everything carefully, rather than assuming every detail should stay the same. Go through the duplicated listing and update the key information, including the listing title, description, photos, amenities, pricing, availability, and house rules. Even if most of the information is similar, it's a good idea to make sure the wording, images, and settings match the specific property or version of the listing you're creating. For example, pricing and availability should always be checked closely to avoid booking issues later. Next, double-check the location and the overall property information to make sure everything is accurate. This part is especially important because incorrect address details, room information, or property settings can confuse guests and create problems with reservations. Once you've reviewed and updated everything, save your changes. Take a final look through the listing to confirm that all the details are complete and consistent. It's worth spending an extra minute here to avoid mistakes after the listing goes live. When you're satisfied with everything, go ahead and publish the duplicated listing. At that point, your new listing will be live and ready for guests to find, and that's how to duplicate a listing on Airbnb. If you follow these steps carefully and review each section before publishing, you can create a new listing much faster and with fewer errors.